Elevate your healthy drying experience with Illusion, the perfect blend of power, design and lightness. The Termix Illusion Professional Hairdryer features a groundbreaking silent BLDC 2000 to 2400 watt motor, reducing drying time by 40% without extreme heat. Its brushless motor lasts 2.5 times longer than traditional motors, delivering over 2,000 hours of dependable performance. Weighing just 400 grams, Illusion is an ergonomic and lightweight tool, ensuring greater comfort during drying. Its ionic and anti-frizz technology provides enhanced control of heat and airflow with 3 temperatures, 3 speeds and a cool shot button, catering to all hair types. With the new generation of Termix professional hairdryers, achieve fast, brilliant and healthy results. Transform your drying routine with Illusion.